All right, guys, welcome back to Smile Jamaica. Kamoy Gordon has been giving us some sweet tunes all morning, but we've brought in a real stalwart in the business, the one, the only, Spragga Benz, who has a brand new album out right now, and he's here with us on set, even there in the building. Morning to you, sir.
I call him a name, but I don't think him out knows in me at top. Brother, long time I don't see you now, what go on?
They are what it's same way, you know.
No, seriously. Spragga, how long now you been in the business for? Because people, you know.
Over 30 years now, you know.
Oh, my God.
Yeah. Over 30 years. I just realized something, the whole way I be, Spragga be, Debbie be.
Hey!
I know where you get the Benz from because you used to work with a sound system named La Benz.
Yeah, La Benz.
Where does Spragga come from? Because them used to call you spaghetti.
Yeah, spaghetti.
Because you're
so the spaghetti, yeah.
So all the Spragga.
That was Anflow, you know, big up Anflow, bless our soul.
Yeah?
Yeah. And Greg PH, it changed over to Spragga, to Spriggs.
To Spriggs?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And, you know, just go through the transitions.
Until the three Spragga.
Yeah, spaghetti, Spriggs, Sprags, Spragga. And,
What if name, man?
What if name got you?
Yeah, so the brand new album is called Endeavor.
Yes.
And I just realized a while ago, we pull it up on the iTunes, I see a feature with Coco T, the late great Coco T.
Yes, in Zion.
Yeah,
My
and you were
first
telling me it
friend
was
in
his
the
last
business.
song that he did.
I would have said the last song because actually, you know, boy, it's a sad memory still, but it's a good vibes.
Yeah.
Because, you know, him do it on the voice of me and him watch TV one night and see be like Jones thing a going and people I say, we saw it and, you know, Coco say, watch them and shoot them the drone. You know? And then him just start sing that. And me I say, yo, you know, so that could I make a song, uncle? You do this one time, you touch wood and we go up on tour. And we start build like the little vibe from this and, you know, me go away a week and then when we return, like him deteriorate rapidly.
Yeah.
But him send the voice notes to management and say, yo, tell Spragga, remember, and, you know, do the right thing. So we use the voice notes, me and LMR, we put it together.
Yeah.
Back to the idea where more is the parts and where might be too weak because from, you know, we just fill in different words and make it where I'm saying they want it to be.
Yeah. Speaking of collabs, so, and we were talking before, how you decide who you want to work with what song? So you do a song and then you sit back and say, oh, so I feel about this spell could have, how you decide?
I decide probably if with topics, if a topic with a person is familiar with and you know, used to all the while, I might decide from vocal tones, say, yeah, that voice I would match with my own panda rhythm, or I just my virgin now just in the studio and say, oh, we could make something.
Yeah. You ever do a collab and when it done you say, maybe another person I should have done it.
No, because the music come out as how the music's supposed to be.
Nice,
Okay.
nice.
Yeah.
All right, well, on the album, there are 13 tracks on the album. We mentioned the collaboration, Coco T. You have one with Sizzla Kalanji.
Yeah.
You have one with Britta Sosika, I believe.
Britta Sosika.
There we go. I never don't know that person. Darius Riley. I have Ashley Skerritt as well.
Yes.
So, oh my gosh, though. So you say you're making now a what? A redo of the album?
A remix of the album, yeah, in a way. So, all right, Mountain, the first track now that I got one Echo Mine upon it.
Ah.
And then the track with me and Darius Riley, now that I have Sean Paul upon it as well. The track with me and Sizzla, now that I have Highway upon it as well. There's a track with me and Bugle, Brotherly Love, I did Bugle. The track Best Friend, so-called Best Friend, I had Stone Boy and Agent Sasko. So, you know, another track I try to get JC Lodge, the last track, but it really not come true yet.
Yeah.
But we work on it. So that's the whole concept of
it is not,
you know?
last stand me that me know you're Debbie depend on and me no depend.
But I still have two tracks.
Anybody you want to work with, collab-wise, that you have not?
Well, me always have a vibe for try to do a song with Mary J. Blige still.
Oh, man.
You know?
Oh,
it never materialized, but
it still can happen.
We still have life, so anything can go on.
Spragga, what would you say is your biggest contribution to the industry?
Being a part of it, just contributing my energy and my creativity, my opinions, you know, just like anybody else.
Yeah. You jump on the hill and go already.
I tell Stephen for saying it, but him saying a different thing.
I asked that because there's a little controversy going on about it, because some of our culture people are suggesting that it is great that we brought it back.
Yeah.
But some of the lyrics on it don't suit because it's hill and gully. And you buy that?
No.
What you say?
Respect the elders them who feel sentimental about it.
Yeah.
But for them day when them did young and they broke out, them a broke out to it, you know. Yeah, because it wasn't the classical music that was played on the airwaves at the time. Yeah. That was music where, as I said, folk songs, street songs, dancehall songs, same way. And it raunchy in its own way at that time. So this time, I just say things more graphic and more shock and awe. Not saying I support what the man them are saying, I just put it into perspective. Say it did see us from them time that was what it was all about. This time, just a new interpretation of it, but just with more shock and awe and graphic.
But you wouldn't go
content.
there.
No, I think I'm going to go too graphic or too shocking, but I'm not going to put no limits for myself for my music either at the same time, because all I want me to do from an artistic standpoint, so it might include some things that might be displeasing to some ears, but if for the authenticity of what I do, I'm going to do it.
Yeah. They call it back to me in a movie alongside Kimani Marley. You doing it?
Yeah. Of course. I'm just the one now to supposed to come out soon called Vendetta. And me and him have a script where we to name Ruthless, where through our same lines, through Top Notch Vision, Red Square Productions, same way.
Yeah.
So,
Acting or music if you had to do one?
Music.
Well, the answer is
So
quick.
music, without that thought.
Why though? Why music and not acting?
Music is before acting,
Yeah. Yeah. Because music gave you the notoriety that opened the door for acting to happen.
I can't do music by myself somewhere, and just sing out and cause music give me a release of energy.
Yep.
Yeah.
You were also given a big award.
Give
Irama.
thanks.
Yeah. How you feel about getting an award, no?
Give thanks, right? Give thanks to the consideration.
Yeah.
Now don't play it in no way or form.
Yeah.
I appreciate it.
You've been, as Debbie said at the top, you've been around for a while. You've done what you wanted to do all along these steps during this journey. Is there anything you say, boy, I should have do that 10 years ago. Sorry, I never did that 15 years ago. Or have you gone through all the steps that you wanted to go through?
Basically.
Yeah.
I don't want to go over them again.
It makes sense.
So no regrets, regrets.
None at all.
All right. So in addition to the remake of this Endeavour album, you have an upcoming event?
Yeah. We have an event coming up, and we have a couple of events coming up, but most notably, the journey to Kingston, which coincidentally happens on my birthday, May the 30th, and it's being held in Miramar, in Florida, at the Miramar Cultural Center. The Miramar Board councilors are them, so it will include me and my Camperdown Virgins them as the headliners, meaning Wayne Wanda and Sasko. And then also a lot of our friends commit to being a part of the event as well.
Yeah.
Like Damien and Steve and Kimani and all of the younger generation of Marley's, Godfather, Everton Blender, Kevin Little, Bugle, Pressure Bus Pipe.
Big show, brother.
Yeah. So
a big show, brother.
And I saw we're going to have an orchestra as well, because we make sure we do it in a different way, because dancehall music, so, I'm journey to Kingston. Kingston offers the best. So, yeah,
man.
Blessings.
Thank you so much for being here, man. All right, recording artist Spragga Benz, guys. We'll soon come back because he's going to be here for a part of Manversation.
Change back his name to...
If Spragga... Instagram captions or anything to go by, you want to stay around for that one, all right?
Spriggs. Search out Spriggs and you find him. What's so cool? Spriggs.